Farewell, miss, I know that you can care less, but I'm sorry for everything, I was careless. But I need you to know that I love you so much, and I've been drinking myself to sleep, my soul's crushed. A couple more shots, I know I'm gonna go nuts. I can't deal with the fact you left me with no crutch. I was in love with you, how could you do this to me? Actually, I did this to myself, what a tragedy. And now what do? Where do I go? Cause everywhere I go I see your face. It's hard starting over, trying to find another shoulder to lean on. I feel like my whole life just got beat on. They say time heals, but damn it, I wanna stop time and feel this pain. As crazy as it sounds to me, it's insane, and I like it. Why? Cause I feel like we're still united in some weird way. I don't wanna fight it, I don't wanna say goodbye, but sometimes things just don't go as we'd like. All I wanna do is cry, say my farewells, pack up and leave tonight. Farewell. I don't wanna say goodbye, but sometimes things just don't go as we'd like. All I wanna do is cry, say my farewells, pack up and leave tonight. Check it out, I wrote you the other day and you didn't write back. It's like that, after all the crap we've been through. I can't believe you, I know I fucked up, but look within you and find some love and stop being stuck up. You keep sending me the voicemail, I'm annoyed how, shit, you could at least send a text. But you're probably busy kissing someone else's lips while I'm sitting here cleaning my shoes from this shit. You're hard-headed, a sharp-headed, I need help, call a medic. I just caught myself, yeah I did it. Without you I'm nothing.